Good morning guys, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Urbi's Makeup Tutorials and Lifestyle. So today I'm going to show you the new trending thing on Instagram, that is I woke up just like this. I woke up just like this, hashtag flawless, hashtag beautiful skin, hashtag natural makeup, hashtag everything that you need. And it needs a very little bit of makeup, not very much makeup, not like you are doing a hefty makeup. It's very easy, and so let's begin with a hashtag Instagram and hashtag I woke up like this. Mwah. So first and foremostly, I'll just tie up my hair back so that I can do my makeup properly and can show you guys, because hair falling off on my face and ruining everything is the worst thing and the last thing that I want to do. I don't have much hair like you guys do, but still I have some hair. Anyways, for the first step, what I'll be doing is cleaning my face. I've already washed my face, I've brushed my teeth, and now with a wipe I'm just cleaning it off. The excess oil will come off with this one. And now for the refreshment, I'll be just using the Good Vibes Rose Ship Skin Clearing Toner. It's not only a toner, it's also like it's a hydrating mist. It will hydrate my face. It will give it the proper nourishment that my face needs right at the moment in the morning, because it's a I woke up like this look. So I'll spray it all over my face and I'll just allow it to dry, fan it. If you have a hand fan, you can dry with that, or you can just do it like me with your hands. Now for the next step, I will not be using any primer today, so I'll be using, you all know this is a very common local cream, it's called Glam Up. It will act as a tinted moisturizer, it will act as a base, that's primer, and it will give a dewy look, a beautiful flawless look to my face. And let's just use it. Not much. Today is mostly all about magic of hands. So once the Glam Up, that is the hydrating moisturizer tinted makeup that I've used already, I'll just use my lip balm little bit so that my chappy lips won't look chappy, and when I'll be applying the father products, it will look good on it. A little bit of it, and allow it to sit for some time so that it absorbs all the necessary nutrients and the things and the moisturization that your lips need. And wait for 5 minutes minimum to let it get absorbed. Now today I'll be using my Pond's BB cream, not much. I won't be using any foundation, as it's a I woke up like this makeup, so you don't want your face to look like you're going to a wedding party or a date night. Clean hands. So no concealer today. It's a no concealer day. So once the BB cream has been applied to my face properly, see, it's already looking much like flawless. So now I'll be just using a little bit of my setting powder, that is Miss Claire, not much. My shade you already know, it's 21. It's Miss Claire Naturals. Da, 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 da. I'll just use the puff. I'm very lazy because I just woke up, so I have to be lazy. It's my national right to be lazy when I'm waking up late. So a little bit of it. on my under eye especially, in the mouth areas, and I'll just blend it. Just dab it and blend it till you think that it's perfectly blended into your skin and not showing any patches or like any kind of streaks in your face. Now for my eyebrows today, I will be not drawing my eyebrows. I'll just use the spoolie and I'll just brush my eyebrows to bring it in a proper shape. That's it, my girl. And then comes the next part today. For my cheeks, I'll be using the tint from the Body Shop. It's in the shade Pink Hibiscus. I've used it so much. I love this one so much that I've already finished this thing. You need a pinky glow in your skin, on your skin, over your skin, your flawless skin. I woke up like this skin. And just dab it with your hand. It will give a beautiful pinkish natural glow, like you just woke up from your sleep and your cheeks are glowing. And the funniest part is this is the main heroine of today's story. I'll use it on my upper eyelids also. I will not be using any eyeshadow. A natural pinkish tint to your eyelids. And now a little bit of glow, the beautiful sun-kissed glow that you've just woke up and the sun loves you. Good morning sunshine, you're my only light. A little bit of shimmer break. It will not only highlight and it will like enhance the pink tint that I've already used. Not on the nose bridge today, but on the nosy button. A little bit up on my eyes. For my eyes today, I'll be using the waterproof Kohl Kajal from Miss Claire. I will not be doing a line like a cat liner or anything like this. I will do is just draw inner lines, inner water line of my eyes. Close my eyes. And a little bit on my waterline, very lightly. Very lightly. And the main game changer is mascara. But this time mascara only on the upper lids, not on your lower lids. For my lips also today I'm going to use the tint because I want it to look natural, because I just woke up from my sleep. Hashtag flawless skin. Hashtag I woke up like this. look in my hair because I have to take my photo and I'll show you how it looks like. Bang on, and you're ready for how this is. I woke up like this. Hashtag Insta like, hashtag Insta pic, hashtag I woke up like this, hashtag no makeup look. And if you like this look, if you love my channel, if you like Urbi, if you like Urbi's makeup tutorials and lifestyle, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any more updates from my channel. Enough for today. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah.